For this project, you're going to need 4 wood letters that are 4 inches in height. I chose to do the word Noel. You can choose to do whichever word you like. You can do joy or Noel or Mary. I don't suggest that you do any word longer than Mary. I will be painting my letters a beautiful deep red using Folk Art lipstick red. You want to get 1 good coat of paint on your letters. Make sure to hit the sides. You can pick up 4-inch wood letters from any of the craft stores, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, even Walmart carries them. I have all of my letters painted red. I'm really happy. I'm going to set those aside and let them dry. Next, you're also going to need 1 of these per letter. So depending on how long your word is, depends on how many of these you need. So since I'm spelling out Noel, I have 4. Now on 1, you need to leave the hanger. On the other 3, you need to remove the hanger. And you also want to remove the staples as best you can. We're going to be attaching these together, and with the staples there, it'll make it hard for you to get a good seal. Once you have removed your staples, just go over with some sandpaper or sand block and smooth that out. I also noticed on these that some of them, when they were cut, they were left with really rough edges. If you happen to come across those on yours, just take your sand block and just go over that edge lightly. It'll clean it right up. So go ahead and clean up your pieces until you're happy with them. Everything's ready to be put together. So I'm going to be attaching these below each other and have all 4 together. And I'm going to be attaching them with the original super glue, wood glue, and hot glue. Then I'm going to use a popsicle stick here to help secure it. They don't meet up completely flat and flush, so this will make sure that they stay together. Now I'll be attaching all 4 in the same way. Once everything is attached, you want to wait about a half an hour before you move forward. I am placing my wood letters right in the middle, and I'm using a combination of the wood glue and hot glue. Now it's really nice that these have slats. It makes it much easier for you to get them in the correct place. I've just been lining them up with the 2 slats. And just do your best to eye it and get it in the correct position. So I have everything glued together. It's only been sitting for a few minutes with the letters on. The base has been sitting for about a half hour. I want to add some decor up here. Now I have these 2 pieces that I cut off a larger stem of greenery. They each have 1 little pine cone on there. I thought that was really pretty. And I'm just going to hot glue them at the top here, 1 facing this way and 1 facing this way. And now I want to add just a couple of these really pretty berries. Now these I picked up at Dollar Tree. They are large berries. You get 16 in a pack, and these do have the snow on them. In the package they do come two twisted together, which I think is good. And I just want to place a couple in there, and I don't really need those wires, so I'm going to cut them. And then I'm just going to hot glue these in place. And there you go, we are all done. I really like that. I think that really sets off my Noel sign. I think it's absolutely beautiful and will look great next to my front door outside. What a great way to greet my guests this holiday season. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. And if you know anyone who would enjoy my content, please share it with them. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.